Today we're making Cajeta Swirled Mexican chocolate brownie bars. This recipe serves 16, and the total time is about 1 hour 45 minutes. Let's get into it. First, let's check the ingredients. 1 cup unsalted butter. This brings rich flavor and a fudgy texture. 6 ounces of chopped Mexican chocolate. It adds spiced cocoa notes and sweetness. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar for balanced sweetness and a shiny crust. 1/2 cup packed dark brown sugar for moisture and depth. 4 large eggs, the key to whipping for that glossy top. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract for aroma and warmth. 1 cup of all-purpose flour to bind the batter. 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder for deep chocolate flavor. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, classic Mexican warmth. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, for a gentle kick. 1/2 teaspoon fine salt to balance sweetness. 1/2 cup cajeta, divided. We'll swirl some in and drizzle the rest. A pinch of flaky sea salt to finish and highlight the chocolate. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line an 8-inch square pan with parchment with overhangs and lightly grease the paper. Melt 1 cup unsalted butter with 6 ounces of chopped Mexican chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Use short microwave bursts or a gentle double boiler, stirring until completely smooth. Let the chocolate and butter mixture cool for 5 minutes until it's warm, not hot. In a large bowl, whip 4 large eggs with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup packed dark brown sugar on high speed for 3 to 4 minutes until thick, pale, and ribbony. Whisk in 2 teaspoons of vanilla, then slowly pour in the cooled chocolate and butter mixture, mixing just until combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne if using, and 1/2 teaspoon fine salt. Fold the dry ingredients into the chocolate mixture in 2 additions until just combined. Do not overmix. Scrape the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top into an even layer. Warm the cajeta until pourable, then dollop 1/4 cup over the batter and swirl with a knife. Reserve the remaining 1/4 cup for finishing. Tap the pan firmly on the counter 2 times to release any large air bubbles. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until the edges are set and a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Set the pan on a rack and let the brownies cool completely for about 1 hour. Warm the remaining 1/4 cup of cajeta and drizzle it evenly over the cooled brownies. Sprinkle a pinch of flaky sea salt over the top to finish. Lift the brownies out using the parchment, then slice into 16 bars, wiping the knife between cuts for clean edges. Serve at room temperature or slightly warm. Keep them covered at room temperature for up to 3 days. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved these Cajeta Swirled brownies, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a bake.